Hello everyone, this is AK. If you're watching this video, you probably worked on some data projects for solving the business requirements. And if you're watching this video, you may be a data engineer or data analyst or data scientist. If you belong to that profession, probably you know the statement called almost 80% of data projects are not getting deployed into production, and most of the projects are getting stopped for not meeting the business requirements. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the reasons for why data projects are not meeting the business requirements and what are the issues behind the data projects. I classified this video into 4 different parts, and in each part you probably get the idea of different reasons about the issues behind data projects. Before starting this video, if you want to learn more about data spaces, then subscribe to this channel for instant updates so I can deliver more quality data videos for you. The first thing for successful data project is data quality. If you have good skilled data professionals in your team and if you are not providing them a quality data to prepare, then you can't expect them to provide good insights to you. More the quality data you provide, more the insights that can be delivered. So for the first thing, you should define your data collection pipelines more accurate. You may have different sources of data to collect. As a business owner, you should maintain your sources more correctly, and if you're not maintaining your data sources, then you might get chance of losing some advantage of data insights which could have been come from the different data projects. In sometimes your business may have different problems to solve. As a data professional, you should more clarified with your data. Before jumping into the algorithm or forming the data architecture, take a time to understand the data sources more clearly so that you can get some idea of how to prepare or form a business pipeline using that data. And if you directly jump into taking insights without understanding the data sources, it could have been a burnout for you, because the required data that you expect might not be delivered or present in the data sources. So understand the data sources and validation is a prime step for data projects so that you would know much better about which data are present in the data sources. Second point is understanding the business requirement. Analyzing the business requirement is very important in data science and data engineering projects. Without understanding the business, you're probably stuck at the starting phase of why we are developing this model. For example, if you are preparing a meal, you should know what you are going to prepare and what outcome you will get. Your data model or pipeline should give some answers for real-time business problems. You don't have to directly go and developing a deep learning model or machine learning model with the data that you have. If you went deep down and analyze your problem, most of the time it don't demand machine learning implementations. It can have been done by some simple SQL queries. So the best way to understand about business data is to do the exploratory data analysis. If you have few tables in your database and if you want to understand the data, just open the Jupyter Notebook or Colab book and try to play with your data. This is one of the way I use for understanding the data. At the end of the process, you will have more new ideas of how to approach or solve the business problems with the data that you have. And the third point is resource constraints. One of the worst part of data projects is the lack of resources. You probably have the best analytical idea and you have the feeling of it will be more great insight if I implement it, but unfortunately you get restricted of not having the proper resources. Some of the data projects like image reduction neural networks will probably require more resources like GPU, which are mostly expensive for handling the real-time workloads. So as a developer, you will be under restriction while using it. This is one of the important reasons for not able to develop your ideas and deploy them in your production. So these are the key points I found interesting and I can relate personally while building the data projects. So that's all about this video. If you are relating these points, then like this video. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.